Imagine this: you're sitting in a meeting, or maybe just trying to enjoy a night out, and suddenly, that itch starts up again. It's persistent, and before you know it, you're scratching, trying not to draw attention. The itchy scalp, it's frustrating, distracting, and sometimes even embarrassing. But what actually causes it? And more importantly, how can you get relief? First, let's dive into what's happening beneath the surface. The scalp is packed with hair follicles, sebaceous glands, and a rich network of nerve endings. Together, they make up a delicate ecosystem that reacts to even the smallest changes. One of the most common culprits behind an itchy scalp is an imbalance in this ecosystem: dry skin. Dry scalp often leads to flakiness, which many people confuse with dandruff. But unlike dandruff, dry scalp isn't caused by a fungus. It's usually due to environmental factors like cold weather, hot showers, or even certain hair products that strip natural oils from the skin. But let's say your scalp is itching, and you're seeing some flakes, but it's definitely not dry skin. This could be dandruff, which happens when a naturally occurring fungus, Malassezia, overgrows on the scalp. Malassezia feeds on the oils in your scalp, and when there's an imbalance, the scalp gets irritated and sheds cells more rapidly, causing visible flakes. So, the itchiness and flakiness are your body's response to that fungal imbalance. Then, there's seborrheic dermatitis, a more severe form of dandruff. It's chronic, and it's characterized by red, greasy patches, often accompanied by stubborn scales. It's an inflammatory condition that can be triggered by stress, hormonal changes, or even weather changes. Unlike regular dandruff, seborrheic dermatitis often needs more targeted treatment to bring relief. Another lesser-known cause could be scalp psoriasis. While it's not as common, it's crucial to mention because it's often mistaken for dandruff. Psoriasis forms silvery scales, and it's an autoimmune condition where skin cells build up faster than they can shed. This buildup can make the scalp feel itchy and sore, and without proper treatment, it can be tough to manage. So, how do we treat an itchy scalp? The key is in identifying the root cause. If you're dealing with dry scalp, start by focusing on hydration. Opt for gentle shampoos and avoid excessive heat. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin, which help lock in moisture. If dandruff is the issue, antifungal shampoos containing ketoconazole, zinc pyrithione, or selenium sulfide can work wonders. These ingredients slow down the growth of Malassezia, which often helps reduce the itch and flakes significantly. Aim to use these shampoos 2 to 3 times a week, but remember to leave them on your scalp for at least 5 minutes before rinsing. This allows the ingredients time to work. For those battling seborrheic dermatitis, a combination of treatments may be necessary. In addition to antifungal shampoos, products with salicylic acid can help lift stubborn scales, while hydrocortisone creams can be applied to calm inflammation. However, it's always best to consult a dermatologist to tailor your treatment, especially for more severe cases. If psoriasis is the cause, the approach shifts slightly. Treatments here often include medicated shampoos, light therapy, and in some cases, prescription medications. Psoriasis requires careful management, and your doctor may recommend combining treatments to keep symptoms under control. Here's a bonus tip: resist the urge to scratch. I know, easier said than done, right? But scratching can actually worsen the irritation and lead to small breaks in the skin, inviting potential infections. Instead, try soothing the itch with a cool rinse or by using scalp sprays with menthol or tea tree oil, which provide a gentle cooling sensation. An itchy scalp doesn't have to be your everyday struggle. By understanding the cause, choosing the right treatments, and resisting the itch, you can find relief and get back to focusing on the moments that matter. Remember, your scalp health is just as important as any other part of your body. Take care of it, and it'll take care of you.